Welcome to the ITDesigns Home Automation Interface. We will now introduce you to just a few of the many features that are incorporated into the home system, so that you can get a feel of the system's helpful yet user-friendly features. The home screen has large icons so that you can easily find what you are looking for, even if you are a first-time user. We will begin with the lighting control. The lights can be controlled in one of two modes, the on-off mode and dimmer mode. When in on-off mode, simply click a light to turn it on or off. When in dimmer mode, select one or more light groups and then select the desired intensity. Once you have set the room just the way you like it, let's save that scene so that we can reuse it in the future. Simply click on New Scene, select an icon, a name. Now press Save. You have successfully created a scene. This scene can either be activated manually by pressing on the scene icon, or it can be activated by a smart timer. Let's go ahead and see if we can create such a timer for our scene. Simply click Edit, Add Timer, select the scene you would like the timer to activate, select the date. Now let's set the time. You can either set a fixed time or set a time that changes with the daily cycle. There is also an option to repeat the timer every day or only certain days of the week. Now save the timer. The new timer is shown in the timer schedule window. This is where all the home timers are displayed. Each timer has 4 columns. The first column shows when the timer will be next activated. The second columns are included in the timer, as well as the rooms the scene affects. The third column is the days the timer will repeat itself, and the fourth column is to temporarily enable or disable the timer. Let's take another look at lighting control. This time setting your entire home and not just your local room. To navigate through the different rooms in the house, we simply press Overview and pick in which area you would like to control. Once you've set the floor just the way you like it, you can then create an entire floor scene. Simply press New Scene, select the rooms you would like the scene to include, select an icon, a name, and save. Notice how each user only sees his or her scenes, so as not to confuse the scenes you like with that of someone else's. Navigating between rooms and creating scenes and timers is the same for all the home systems. So if once you have learned to control one system, you know them all. We will now set the home's temperature. Just press on the On button to turn on the unit. As you can see, you could change the room's temperature, mode, and fan speed. Not too complicated. To control additional rooms, simply click on the Overview, select the rooms you would like to include, and set them. Creating an air conditioning scene and timer is no different than that of lights. You can actually move from air conditioning to lights by clicking the Device tab and selecting Lights. Controlling the blinds couldn't be easier. Simply select the windows you would like to set, and press up, down, or rotate. We will now navigate to set the blinds in the master bathroom, which is located on the second floor. select the windows you would like to select, set, and there it goes. Now that we set the blinds, all that's left to do is create a scene and timer. But we already know how to do that, so let's move on to something a little more interesting. The access control. Let's call the elevator and have it wait for us. The system will indicate when the elevator arrives. Now, we will let our guest enter the house. There's a surveillance camera but has been disconnected for this demonstration. We can even open the building's parking lot to allow a car to access. It is that easy. Keep in mind that all the system's functions can be accessed from a remote location, whether it is from your computer at work or your phone while on the road. One of the last systems we'll be showing in this demonstration is the alarm system. You can view the sensor status in the entire home to see in real time whenever an occupancy sensor is activated. This can be viewed even when the system is disarmed. Besides monitoring, there are many functions that can be performed with the alarm system, such as arming, disarming, creating temp passwords, and much more. Wake up in the morning and are wondering what to wear? Just click on the info button to show you the 2-day local weather forecast. Every device that is controlled by the system, such as water boilers, towel heaters, dishwashers, even elevators, can be turned into an automated routine task in under 30 seconds. Let's see how hard it would be to set that the elevator will be waiting for us Sunday through Thursday at exactly 7:30 a.m. Simply click on the timer's icon, press New, press on the scene you want, in this case, call the elevator, press Next, choose a date, choose a time, and now choose the days you would like the timer to repeat itself. Well done, that wasn't too hard. Many more functions are incorporated into the system for your convenience and enjoyment, and are all practical and easy to use. To find out how IT design systems can make the life of you and your family easier, safer, and more comfortable, just call or visit our website. See you soon.